cousins, I dare y'all to get this instant half wig with full wig benefits and not juice down the curls.
Cousin what?
And see what you get for yourself.
Cousin who?
See, because I want you to experience
Turn to your neighbor and say
this
experience.
instant slay. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mary, generally you are the first one to grease down a curly wig. You love doing it. It brings you so much joy, it's ridiculous at times. Now you gonna sit up here and sit up here and tell us not to pop the curls. In fact, just plop it on and fluff. I understand, y'all. Let me explain. Hey, cousin, hey, it's your girl Mary Kate coming to you with a slate today. Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Anybody else get packages and you know exactly what it is without opening up the box? You can tell by how it feels. Come on. Now we clearing up that skin, y'all. You think it's a game and it's clearly not. I just felt like saying that. See what happened when you get cocky, you start to drop stuff and things and you got to get it back together? Yes. This is from HerGivenHair, y'all. And I'm excited because I have done a review on this particular wig before and y'all loved it so much that I said I'm gonna come on with some different styles. Now they give you an elastic band, they give you the combs, because this particular half wig can be worn as a full wig. Y'all remember this one? This is their all-in-one instant half wig, and it has a little strip of lace just in case you want to wear it as a full wig. Yes. This is that. This is the same wig, only I have the ombre color this time. It's a coily texture. I have 16 inches, and y'all, yeah, it has a drawstring, it has the combs, it has the removable elastic depending on how you want to wear it. It has a back comb. Y'all, you literally can do whatever you want to with this wig. The purpose of this video is just to show you a couple styles, to show you that little strip of lace in the case that you want to bring the wig all the way to the front and wear it like, you know, like a full wig. You can do that as I showed before. But today I'm just showing you, oh, look at my little teaspoon. You know what? It does not matter how my little teaspoon grows. When your hair is fine, honey, it's thick, but it's slim thick, okay? It's slim thick that I'm up. Right here, I'm just showing you, if you just plop this on your head, you could plop it on and go, but I'm not gonna do that, okay? You can plop it on. Now go around, take a section of hair and just go around the base of the ponytail just to make it a little more seamless. You could do that and be gone, okay? But I'm gonna fluff. Now that's one thing I am gonna do. I'm just gonna show you a couple different styles, but the purpose of this video is to showcase to you that you do not have to wet this hair down, you know, really get the curls good and greasy. Now if you do that, it's going to be beautiful as well. I've done that many times, okay? But a lot of times y'all ask me, what do you do when you don't want to do that? The wigs are beautiful, you love the way it looks, but sometimes you want it to be right out the box ready, right? I got you. When you get these wigs, remember now, you are getting 100% human hair wigs. You're getting the quality. So you can wet it down. But let me show you something. Let me just show you when all you do is put it on your head, fluff, and get gone. Let me just show you now. This is out of the box, you guys. No water, none of the things. No mousse, no gel, no wetting it down. Get you a good pick. I think right here I'm using my pattern pick. Shout out to Tracy. Hey girl. Y'all, fluff it and go. When I tell you that's all you have to do, that is it. It's very light. It's as if nothing is on your head. I'm telling you, it feels really good. And honey, with the way that it is out here, this weather, ooh, I don't want anything that's a lot on my head. So it looks good and full and voluptuous, but it's not heavy. It's not itchy. The hair it feels really good, because remember now, y'all, these are high-end wigs, okay? So it's not gonna feel bad on your skin. Look at that right out the box, and my husband was pleased, okay? I'm gonna just keep it at that. All right. You can do ponytails. You can do a low ponytail. Now remember, y'all, I'm just showing you because a lot of y'all ask me, what do you do when you don't want to do all the popping of the curls? Okay. So I'm showing you styles that you can do without that. But remember, you can pop those curls, okay? Don't get it twisted. You get them good and wet and greasy, co-wash them, bam. You know, I'm telling you, it goes down with these wigs. Because remember, again, 100% human hair, y'all. So you can do what you want. You could color them, but, you know, they have color options. So in the case you don't want to do that, you know, just get the color that you want and bam, be done with it. Or if you want to get a natural color and just color it yourself, you can do that as well. Okay, so many different things. This can be blown out, pressed out, all of the things. But the point is, for my cousins who do not have time for all of that, look at this. Look at this. No, don't I come through for you in the clutch, huh? I needed y'all to know you don't have to, you know, I get them good and greased up a lot of time and then do the little finger coil. You don't have to do any of that, okay? I just like to show y'all different styles and different ways, okay, in this here styling game. That's all. But look at that right there. And that's in there, you guys, because remember, there are so many ways to secure this piece. You have the combs, you have the adjustable strap, you have the elastic, you have, oh, I had to get my morning love. Y'all, this is every single morning when she gets up, because I wake up super early, y'all. I'm like super duper early riser. But anyways, yes, y'all, look, that's it. And it's secure. You could shout. I'm telling you, you could shout regardless of who preaching. If they tearing the house down, you could be right up in that shout and this wig is not going. You will not end up on TikTok with your wig flying off in service. Okay? All right. This is a cute little two. Now you know, if you don't know how to braid or plait or whatever, you don't have to do any of these styles. All right. But if you do, this is really easy, really simple. If you just want to spice it up a little bit in the front. Now it goes down. I have seen people do immaculate braid styles across the front and then put this wig across the back. Y'all, but my braiding skills are not there yet, okay? But they will be, because cousin is practicing, okay? But I'm not there yet, all right? Y'all not finna sit up here and embarrass me talking about, girl, you can do it. No, not yet. Y'all, look at that. That's cute. That's a cute summer style. Put you on a little sundress. For those of you who wear sundresses, I can just see it. And if I wore dresses, I would wear one. I would wear a sundress with that, okay? I really would. Now, this is just, you know, being ignorant and extra. A little razzle dazzle. You don't have to do that. And then you could put it all up. You could do a low ponytail. You could do a high ponytail. You could do a side ponytail, okay? You can lean that sucker to the side with pride if you want to. Huh? You can do that. I need y'all to understand that. There are no boundaries when you get this. That's why it's the all-in-one half wig. This is not the average half wig, okay? There's so much that you can do with these wigs, and that color is popping. It blends so well with my hair. Well, other than that little pink or fuchsia strip of color that I have off to the side. Just imagine if that was not there, okay? Use your imagination. We know it's over there in a mug, but just imagine if it wasn't. Y'all, somebody get their hands on this, and I want to see y'all rock it. Tag me on Instagram, okay? Let me know what you think about it. Drop down in those comments, y'all. And in the meantime, in between time, peace, love, light.